Hi students, welcome to today's class, and today I am going to explain you just a fresh problems which was given in 2022 JEE mains examination from the chapter straight lines. So these two problems appears to be somewhat lengthy problems, but if you patiently do the calculation, the solution definitely you will get a correct solution. So the first thing is here is speed and accuracy should be there. Speed and accuracy. So this is one such type of problems. Here you need speed and accuracy to solve this problem. Okay. So let us see the first problem. The equations of sides of AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC are, so one side equation is 2x plus y is equal to 0, very clear. X plus py is equal to 15a. So x plus py is equal to, it is 15a, here p is there and here a is not clear, and x minus y is equal to 3 respectively. If its ortho center is 2 comma alpha and alpha lies between minus 1 by 2 to n, then the value of p is equal to. Okay now? So let us solve this problem. Welcome to the solution. So here x plus py is equal to 15 alpha, not a, right. So first of all, let us draw a neat diagram. Okay. So let us draw the diagram. A, B, C. ABC is the triangle. What is the equation of AB? So AB equation is, so 2x plus y is equal to 0. AB equation is 2x plus y is equal to 0. BC equation is x plus py is equal to 15 alpha. Okay, right. And the CA equation is x minus y is equal to 3. X minus y is equal to 3. Very clear, respectively. If its ortho center is given 2 comma alpha. So ortho center means what? Let us join AD is perpendicular to BE. Okay. So this is ortho center. This ortho center is given as 2 comma alpha. Then is asked to find out the value of P. Then how to proceed this problem? How to proceed this problem means let us try to find out the slope of AD and the slope of BE, and thereby you can solve this problem. So that is the calculation. Let us see. First I will try to find out the coordinates of A and the coordinates of B, so that I can find out the slope of AD and the slope of BE. The slope of AD into slope of BC is equal to minus 1, and the slope of BE into slope of AC is equal to minus 1. So let us proceed the problem like that. So now my first aim is to find the value of A, coordinates of A. So then how to find out that? So solving the equations. What are the equations? 2x plus y is equal to 0, x minus y is equal to 3. 2x minus y is equal to 3 and 2x plus y is equal to 0. So clearly if you say that adding plus y minus y will cancel, 3x is equal to 3, therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2. Therefore the coordinates of A are 1 comma minus 2. 1 comma minus 2 will be the coordinates of A. Now let us try to find out the coordinates of B. Okay now. So what are the coordinates of B means? Now let us solve 2x plus y is equal to 0. So what is this equation? X plus py minus 15 alpha is equal to 0. X plus py minus 15 alpha is equal to 0. So let us take from this y is equal to minus 2x. From y is equal to minus 2x. Substitute here x plus p into y value minus 2x minus 15 alpha is equal to 0. So from this x is equal to how much? 1 minus 2p is equal to 15 alpha. So therefore x is equal to 15 alpha by 1 minus 2p. Okay now. X is equal to 15 alpha by 1 minus 2p. So therefore, what is your y value? Minus 2 into this 15 alpha, that is minus 30 alpha by 1 minus 2p. Okay. So here I am multiplying with minus 2 into 15 minus 30 alpha by 1 minus 2p. Therefore, this is the coordinates of A. So what are the coordinates of B? So this is given by 15 alpha by 1 minus 2p comma minus 30 alpha by 1 minus 2p. So I got the coordinates of A and B clearly. Okay, now my aim is, now how to proceed means, so I got the coordinates of A, so I am going to A and coordinates of B I got. B coordinates are in terms of alpha and p obviously. Now the coordinates of A are 1 comma minus 2, it is very clear. Now what I am going to do is, I will multiply the slope of AD into slope of BC, okay na? That is equal to minus 1. So we will get a relation from there. So from that we will proceed the solution, okay. So let us continue the solution. So welcome back. So here the points A and B coordinates are clearly we got. Then how to find out the value of P is, so let us take the slope of AO or AD. Slope of AD is given by the formula. So this is AD means slope of AO. So x2 minus x1, that is alpha plus 2 by y2 minus y1, 2 minus 1, that is equal to alpha plus 2. So this is slope of AD. What is slope of BC? So slope of BC is given by minus A by B, that is equal to minus 1 by P. Okay. We know the product of these slopes is equal to minus 1. Therefore, alpha plus 2 into minus 1 by P is equal to minus 1. So minus minus will get takes cancellations. Alpha plus 2 is equal to P. So this is the equation we got. Alpha plus 2 is equal to P. So over. The next part is, what is slope of BO or BE? Slope of BE. Slope of BE is given by x1 y1 x2 y2. Otherwise this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, right. y2 minus y1. So this is a B and it is a O or the center. y2 minus y1, that is equal to alpha plus 30 alpha by 1 minus 2p upon x2 minus x1, 2 minus this, 2 minus 15 alpha by 1 minus 2p. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 as it can be get cancelled. So cross multiplication, alpha minus 2p alpha plus 30 alpha divided by, so this is cross multiplication, 2 minus 2 2s are 4p minus 15 alpha. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are minus 4p minus 15 alpha. So alpha plus 30 alpha. So this is a 31 alpha minus 2p alpha by, so 2 minus 4p minus 15 alpha. 2 minus 4p minus 15 alpha. Alpha, that is 30 alpha, 31 alpha minus 2p alpha. So that is the slope of BE. What is the slope of AC? Slope of AC. Slope of AC is given by the formula minus A by B. Minus 1 by minus 1, 1. This is a 1. Now the product of the slope of BE and slope of AC is equal to minus 1. That means if you multiply, this is equal to minus 1 will come. If you take the cross multiplication, so like that you will get 31 alpha minus 2p alpha is equal to, so this is equal to minus 1 will go now. So if you take cross multiplication, this is minus 2 plus 4p plus 15 alpha you will get, plus 15 alpha. So bring all to one side. So this is a 31 alpha, this is a 15 alpha. So if you bring to one side, so this is equal to 16 alpha. So 15 plus 16. So 15 plus 16 is equal to how much? 31 alpha. So take this side minus 2p alpha. Bring this side also. This is a minus 4p plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is your second equation. So this is a 16 alpha minus 2p alpha. So take 4p to this side minus 4p. Take plus 2 this side. Now call it as a equation 1 and you call it as second equation. Solve these two equations. So you will get the value of p. Okay. So let us continue our solution. Welcome back to this calculation. So we want the value of p. Okay now. That's why convert this equation entirely into p. So therefore that's why in place of alpha substitute p minus 2. Wherever alpha there substitute p minus 2. So this is equal to 16 into p minus 2 minus 2p into alpha means p minus 2 minus 4p plus 2 is equal to 0. In place of alpha p minus 2. In place alpha p minus 2. So therefore multiply. So this is equal to 16p. This is equal to 30 into that is 16 to 32 minus. So this is equal to 2p square plus 4p minus 4p plus 2 is equal to 0. So any more cancellations? So plus 4p minus 4p gets cancelled. So this is equal to minus 2p square. So this is a plus 16p. So this is a minus 32 plus 2. So this is equal to minus 30 is equal to 0. Right, you can multiply with divide with minus 2. That's why this is equal to p square. So this is equal to minus 8p plus 15 is equal to 0. Clear? Now the factors are clearly p minus 3 into p minus 5 is equal to 0. Either p is equal to 3 or p is equal to 5. So your answer will be p is equal to 3 or p is equal to 5. But always remember that, so here the conditional alpha is minus 1 by 2 to 2. Okay. So out of these two p values, one will be valid. That's why substitute here. So here alpha is equal to, first you take p is equal to 3, 3 minus 2, that is alpha is equal to 1. So 1 lies between minus 1 to alpha 2. Therefore, p is equal to 3 will be the right answer. Okay. If you take p is equal to 5, what happens? Alpha is equal to, take 5 minus 2. So therefore, alpha is equal to 3 you are getting. But your alpha should lie between minus 1 by 2 to 2. Understand? So therefore, your final answer is p is equal to 3 is the right answer. So dear students, it is actually nothing is here. Only thing is, so a equation, set of equations will be will come. So you have to solve them in a patiently. So without doing any mistakes. So in a stipulated time, you have to solve these equations. So if you correctly solve this equation, the solution of this problem is very, very easy. Okay now. So let us see a second problem. Welcome to the second problem. So this is also given in our 2022 latest paper 22 JEE mains examinations. Okay, right. Let us see the first problem. Here A alpha comma minus 2, beta alpha comma 6 and C alpha by 4 comma minus 2 be the vertices of triangle ABC, full stop. If 5 comma alpha by 4 is the circumcenter of triangle ABC, circumcenter of the triangle ABC, then which of the following is not correct? So here area of the triangle, perimeter of the triangle, circumradius in radius. Okay now. So let us see that. First of all, these type of problems are very important. Why? Because here we have to check all the four options. All the four options we have to check. So first we will see that what type of triangle it is. Here A, B, C, three vertices are given. So first let us check what type of triangle it is. Either it is equilateral or isosceles or right angle triangle. Let us check it. So to check that, so the only thing is find the distance between AB, BC and CA. So let us see here. So first AB, distance between AB is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, alpha minus alpha whole square 0. minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 whole square, that is equal to 64. This is equal to 8. What is the distance between B and C? So this is equal to alpha minus alpha by 4 whole square plus 6 plus 2 whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is given by square root of, this is a 4 alpha minus alpha, 3 alpha. 3 alpha means 9 alpha square by 16 plus 6 plus 2, 8, 8 square 64. So keep it like that. AB over BC over CA now. C and A, first and last. So that is a square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. That is alpha minus alpha by 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is a minus 2 plus 2 whole square. So this is given by, so this anyhow 0, square square it will get cancelled, alpha minus alpha by 4. So this is equal to 3 alpha by 4. 4 alpha. So 3 alpha. So let us see any difference you have to see here. So anything you have seen. So if you observe, AB square is equal to how much? 64. And AB square plus CA square, let us check. AB square plus CA square is given by, AB square is 64 plus CA square is equal to 9 alpha square by 16, that is equal to BC square. That is equal to BC square. That means what you got? AB square plus CA square is equal to BC square. So this is a property of Pythagoras theorem, right? So here definitely it is a right angled triangle. It is a right angled triangle. So where will be the vertex which contains 90 degrees means here what is there? A. So that's why this is A. So here B and C. So ABC is a right angled triangle, right? We know that in a right angled triangle, the circumcenter lies at the hypotenuse of midpoint of the hypotenuse. Okay, so let us find out the midpoint of the hypotenuse BC and we will make it into equal to 5 comma lambda by 4. So let us continue our calculation. Now the midpoint of BC is, midpoint of BC is equal to, midpoint of BC is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. That is equal to alpha plus alpha by 4 by 2 comma y2 6 minus 2 by 2. So this is equal to 4 alpha plus alpha 5 alpha by 8 comma 6 minus 2 4 by 2 2. So this is 2. This is given by the value, so that is equal to 5 comma alpha by 4. 5 comma alpha by 4. So if you compare either x coordinates or y coordinates, so you will get, so this is equal to alpha by 4. This implies alpha is equal to 8. So 2 is equal to, otherwise if you cancellation this 5 will cancel, alpha is equal to 8. Anyhow you can find out alpha is equal to 8. So after finding alpha is equal to 8, so therefore the clearly what are the coordinates of A? So this is equal to 8 comma minus 2, B 8 comma 6, so I will write here A 8 comma minus 2, so 8 comma minus 2, B 8 comma 6, 8 comma 6, sorry 8 comma 6. What are the coordinates of C? Alpha by 4, alpha by 4, 8 by 4, 8 by 4 is equal to how much? 2, 2 comma minus 2. So C is a 2 comma minus 2. So 2 comma minus 2 are the coordinates of all the 3 coordinates we got. So very clear. Now let us find out. So let us check one by one. So first A option. Area of the triangle is 24 square units, he say. So what is the area of the triangle? Half into, so here I will find out base. So if you observe, let us find out the lengths also. Base, so here 8 comma minus 2, here 2 comma minus 2, minus 2 same. So 8 to 2 is a 6 length here. So this length is a 8 to 6, 8 to minus 2. So So there 6 units, here 8 units, down 2 units, total 8. So square root of 6 plus 2. So there also 8 minus 2, 6 whole square. So this is a 8 and it is a 6. So half into base into height. Half into base. Base means height. Height means 6. So whatever may be that. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 6 are 24. 24 square units. Therefore he is asking which is not correct. So first A option is correct. That's why this is not your answer. This is not your answer. Okay na? So what is the length of BC? So the length of BC is equal to, this is 3, 4, 5. That means 10 will be there. 3, 4, 5. That means 6, 8 more. So that is root of 64 plus 36. 64 plus 100, root 110. So what is the perimeter? So option B is, he is asking perimeter. Perimeter means what? 8 plus 6 plus 10. Understand this? So root of x2 minus x1 whole square. Let us take it. 8 minus 2 whole square. 6 square. 36 plus 6 minus of minus 2. 6 plus 2. 8. 8 square 64. So this is equal to 110. Okay, right. So 8 plus 6 plus 10. How much? 8 plus 6, 14, 24. But he is saying perimeter is 25. So this will be our required answer, perimeter. But let us check, is there any chance of remaining also? Let us see. See, circumradius. Circumradius means what? So if you draw the this is a circumcircle. The circumradius means this hypotenuse will act as a diameter of the circumcircle. Therefore, the circumradius is equal to 5. So this is a 5. So therefore, circumradius is equal to 5. Circumradius is equal to 5. So this is also not your required answer. Why? Because that is correct. In radius means what? We have r is equal to delta by s. In radius, r is equal to delta by s. So here delta is equal to how much? Area of the triangle, 24 upon S means what? Semi-perimeter. Perimeter is 24. 24 by 2, that is equal to 12. 24 by 12 is equal to how much? 2. Therefore, in radius is also correct. So that is not our correct answer. Our answer. So our answer is perimeter is actually 24 have to get, but it is given 25. Therefore, our answer is which is not correct. Therefore, perimeter of 24 is not correct. That's why that is our required answer. So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class. So out of these two problems was asked in last year JEE Mains 2022 examination with some more problems. Tomorrow I will come before you. Until then, all the best.